Okay guys, I have here the Chromecast 4. It's a great new product that was launched on 2020, and it has 4K, and it has a lot of these different apps that you can display on your TV. So I'm going to open it. Really excited about this new product, and also because it's blue. So I will open it with one hand because I'm taping this with the other one. Let's check how it is. Really excited. Really difficult to open it, but let's try it. Try it our best. Okay. After that we have this little thingy here. Let's check how to open it. Oh yeah, I think it's over here. So one hand. Okay, so what we have here, we have our Chromecast, I guess. I'm guessing. Oh yeah, you can see it here. There's a Chromecast here. Okay, comes in this little blue thingy. It's like, I heard it's something about like the blue macaron, something like that is the color. Here it has little button, and here you can see the remote. This is very exciting because you will have a remote that can be activated through voice. So it's like you have a like mini Google Home in your remote. So it's very exciting for me. Check. Oh my god, so clumsy. Check the remote. Amazing. And what else? Have dog. Let's get started. Blah blah blah. The USB in and the C port, and the charger, and what else? Little blue battery, and that's it. This is amazing, guys. I will try it and maybe put a video on how it goes in my TV with this new blue Chromecast 4. Thanks.